Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an Instagram carousel in Canva. So I'm just going to open this blank one for later, but I'll just go to create design and I'm going to select custom size, and I want the width to be around 4,320. That's what I meant. And I'm just going to make the height 180, well 1080, sorry. Anyways, go to files here and go to settings and select show rulers and guides. Then you're going to select this and you're going to drag it till it's 1080. Like, I'm trying to make it exact. That is pretty hard. But you're just going to make it at around 1080. Can I use like my arrows for that? No. Okay. And then I'm just going to drag another one, and I want it to also be around that. And then I'll drag another one here. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Honestly, I do have to count it, but I'm not bothered enough. Anyways, I'm going to just use this for the example, and you're just going to add in some stuff for every bit of your carousel. For instance, here I'll just place it on the side, and I'll place this one here and place that one there as well. I'm going to change the color here, and you're just going to add in pictures and graphics for your carousel. Then press share, download, and select PNG here. Then you're going to open up the image here. Let me just go to downloads. And I'm just going to place that there. And I'm just going to select the image, and I'm just going to make it like that. I'm going to like resize it as like the Instagram page, and I'll add like another page, and I'll like copy and paste that. There we go. And I'm going to place that there. If you want to just add in like a guideline so you can place it precisely where it is, and you're just going to export that. But that is pretty much it. It is that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.